And we can also switch back to the factory. So say we want to go back to the factory Toyota system, all we have to do, we hit Apple CarPlay, but then we can hit home and it will go back to the Toyota system. And then say we're in wireless CarPlay, if we hit Toyota, it goes back to this. So it's pretty easy to get around and navigate. So let's go to YouTube. Already. Okay, that's obviously not me. That's an ad, but there is my channel. We'll click on that. There's my banner. So let's get to 30,000. That would be awesome. Here's my last video testing the rough country lift, the IS350 transmission. So say we hit one of these, it's gonna load up after an ad, of course. As long as you have good 5G bars, which I only have 2 right now, so of course, as I'm filming this, the connection's not great. But here's my video. And it looks good, and it's good quality. It's just like a tablet. You can tap into different sections of it as long as you have a good connection, like I said, and it'll go right to it. Now, if you had a SIM card, you can just pop that in and get that service, but I'm using the hotspot on my phone. In the instructions, there is a way to tether this to use the data internet through the Bluetooth. I haven't figured that out yet. This is a quick overview and just my review of the product. And we can also do picture-in-picture. So this is very immersive. I do not recommend it while driving, but you can even see the thing we last played was my video. So just a quick overview of everything. You have Bluetooth phone, you have maps, a lot of stuff CarPlay has, phone also. So it's pretty much its own phone or tablet system that is separate from your cell phone. It's just really nice